Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to install Jupyter Notebook on Windows using Anaconda. To install Jupyter Notebook, we first need to download and install Anaconda. To do this, go to a browser and type Anaconda download and press enter. Click on the first link, anaconda.com. Here, click on skip registration. Make sure that Windows is selected here. And under Anaconda distribution, click on Windows 64-bit graphical installer. Click on Save. So now the download has started. So the Anaconda exe is around 1.1 GB. Wait for the download to complete. Once download is complete, go to the location where the exe was downloaded. So double click on the exe to install Anaconda. On the setup wizard, click on Next. Click on I agree for the license agreement. Keep the installation type as just me, recommended. So this will install Anaconda for the current user. Click on Next. Keep the default location and click on Next. Check the box, add installation to my path. So this will add Anaconda to the path variable. Click on register Anaconda as default Python. Click on clear package, cache upon completion. So this will remove all the cache files once the installation is complete. Now click on install. So now the installation has started. Wait for it to complete. Anaconda installation is complete now. Click on next. Click on next. Uncheck the box welcome to Anaconda and click on finish. This will automatically launch the Anaconda Navigator. So once the installation was complete, the Anaconda Navigator is launched automatically. Close this, maximize it. You can also open Anaconda Navigator from the Start menu. So once we launch Anaconda Navigator, here you need to locate Jupyter Notebook. So here the Jupyter Notebook is present. So click on Launch. This will launch the Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so this has launched Jupyter Notebook. So once we click on the launch button in Jupyter Notebook, so this launches Jupyter Notebook in the default browser. So here you can see localhost Jupyter Notebook. So now we have launched Jupyter Notebook via the Anaconda Navigator. We can also verify if the installation of Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook was successful via command prompt. To do this, press Windows R, type cmd and press enter. Here type conda space version and press enter. So this will display Conda with the Anaconda version. So this confirms that Anaconda was installed successfully. Now to check if Jupyter Notebook installation was successful, which was installed via Anaconda, type Jupyter space notebook space version and press enter. So this will give a version number of Jupyter Notebook. So if these two commands don't give any errors, we can confirm that Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook was installed successfully. So these are the steps we need to follow to install Jupyter Notebook on Windows using Anaconda. I have also prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. In this video, we will see how to install Jupyter Notebook on Windows using Python. To install Jupyter Notebook on Windows using Python, we first need to install Python. To do this, go to a browser and type Python, press enter. Click on the first link, python.org. Here go to downloads and click on the latest version which is displayed here. This will download the exe file. So click on it. Click on save. So the download has started. So now the download is completed. Click on the folders icon. This will open the exe in the location where it was downloaded. So here you can see the Python exe. Now we need to install it. So double click on it. On the setup wizard, click on add python.exe to path. This will add Python to path and click on install now. So now the installation has started. Wait for it to complete. So now the Python installation is complete. Click on close. Once we have installed Python, we need to verify if the installation was successful. To do this, open command prompt, press Windows R, type cmd and press enter. This will open command prompt. Here type the command python space version and press enter. So this displays Python with version. Also run the command py version. This is to check the Python launcher and press enter. So here also it displays Python along with the version. So this confirms that Python installation was successful. After we install Python, we can do the installation of Jupyter Notebook. So as a first step, we need to upgrade pip. For this, open command prompt, press Windows R and type cmd and press enter. This will open command prompt. Here to upgrade pip first, type the command python space -m space pip space install space -upgrade space pip. So this will upgrade pip. So press enter. Okay, so this command confirms that pip is already upgraded. In case if it is not upgraded, it will upgrade here with this command. So initially we need to run this command to upgrade pip. Now we need to install Jupyter Notebook. For this, we need to type the command pip space install space notebook and press enter. So this will install Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so now Jupyter Notebook is successfully installed. Next, we need to launch Jupyter Notebook. To launch Jupyter Notebook, we need to type the command Jupyter space notebook and press enter. So this will automatically launch Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so now we can see that the Jupyter Notebook command, which we have run, has launched Jupyter Notebook in the default browser. So these are the steps we need to follow to install Jupyter Notebook on Windows using Python. I have also prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. In this video, we will see how to install Jupyter Notebook on Windows using Miniconda. To install Jupyter Notebook, first we need to install Miniconda. For this, go to a browser and type Miniconda download and press enter. Click on the first link, anaconda.com. Here click on the link anaconda.com/download. On the anaconda.com download page, click on skip registration. Here in choose your download, make sure that Windows is selected. And here you will see two distributions. One is Anaconda distribution and other the Miniconda. So under Miniconda, click on the link Windows 64-bit graphical installer. Click on save. So this downloads the Miniconda exe. So the exe size is around 94 MB and the download is in progress. Let's wait for it to get completed. Okay, so the exe is downloaded now. Next, we need to install it. So click on the folders icon. This will open the exe in File Explorer. So double click on the exe to install it. Here on the setup wizard, click on next. Click on I agree for the license agreement. Keep the installation type as just me recommended. So this will install Miniconda only for the current user account and click on next. Keep the default location, click on next. Here do not check the box add installation to path. Check the box register Miniconda as default Python. Check the box clear package cache upon completion. So this will clear the cache once the installation is complete. Click on install. So now the installation has started. Wait for it to complete. So now the installation is complete. Click on next. Uncheck both the checkboxes and click on finish. So now Miniconda is installed successfully. Next, we need to launch Miniconda. So to launch it, go to the start menu, press Windows key. Here you can see recently added Anaconda PowerShell prompt and Anaconda prompt. So these are the Miniconda prompts. So here click on Anaconda prompt. So now we have launched Miniconda. So now we can verify if the installation was successful using the command conda space -- version and press enter. So this should give conda along with the version. So this verifies that the installation was successful. Now we need to update conda. To update it, type the command conda space update space -n space base space -c space defaults space conda. So this command will update conda in the base environment. -n base is for the base environment via the default channel. So -c is for the channel. So type this command and press enter. So this will update conda. So it will ask you to accept the terms of service. Press A and press enter. So each time it asks to accept the terms of service, you need to accept it. So press A and press enter. Press A and press enter. Okay, so now the update has started. Wait for it to complete. It will ask to proceed. Press Y and press enter. So now the command is running again. So wait for it to complete. So now we need to create an environment. So before creating that, we are in the base environment. So here you can see base. So this is the default environment. Here first check for the version of Python which is installed. So type the command python space hyphen hyphen version and press enter. So here you can see Python 3.13 is installed. Now we need to create the environment. So to create the environment, type the command conda space create space hyphen n. Give the name of the environment. So let me give it as my env space. So here in this environment, we are going to install Python. So type Python equal to 3.11. So this is the command to create an environment, myenv, and to install Python in it with the version 3.11. So type this command and press enter. So now the command is running. Wait for it to complete. It is asking to proceed. So press Y and press enter. Wait for the command to complete. So now the environment is created. We need to activate it now. So type the command conda space activate space. Type the name of the environment. So it is my env and press enter. So this will activate the environment. So now the environment is switched to my env from base environment. Now we are inside this environment my env. Now again type the command python space hyphen hyphen version and press enter. So here you will see the Python version 3.11. So in the base environment, the Python version was 3.13, and within the myenv environment, the Python version is 3.11. So this was the version of Python which we specified in the create environment command for the environment myenv. So now we need to install Jupyter Notebook. To install it, type the command conda space install space notebook and press enter. So this command will install Jupyter Notebook. It is asking to proceed, so press Y and press enter. The command is running now. Wait for it to get completed. So the command is successfully completed and Jupyter Notebook is installed. Now we can launch it. So to launch, type the command Jupyter space notebook and press enter. So this is the command to launch Jupyter Notebook. So now Jupyter Notebook is launched successfully in the default browser. So these are the steps we need to follow to install Jupyter Notebook on Windows using Miniconda. I have prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.